So in order to log on to this app, we come into our main website, ladilsa.com, come to the menu, software tools, and then software list login. When you click on this button, a whole list of all of our software tools will come up. And the one app that we are looking at is the Text Animator Video Taboo software. We log in over here on the right side. This screen will pop up. I'm going to use here my son's account to log in. Once I click on login, I'm inside the dashboard for the Text Animator Video Taboo. And as you know, this tool allows you to create very powerful text animation videos. And these types of videos are perfect for product types of explainer videos and infographics, and for like new release announcements. And so actually, rather than me telling you and talking so much about it, let me just take one of these built-in templates to show you how it works. When you click on any template, you take a look at the template, and then basically you click here and you will start basically editing the template by just following a few simple steps to create a unique video of your own. And in the essence of time, I have actually already used this template to create a video. So what I'm going to actually do is just show you that video, and we're going to go through it as if we are just editing it, and the process is really quite the same whether you click here. So since I already have a video done, if I go to this project area right here, it pretty much opens all of the videos that I have done before. So if I click here, it will pretty much open the template that I used before to create the video. So even if you were clicking in any of these templates, that's how the format will look like. So this is scene number one. The wording that comes over here, you just go ahead and replace it with whatever text that you want to appear here, and keep on going next all the way. Same for scene 2. For scene 3, this was everything that I did for this particular text video. There's really quite a few scenes. You see, I just basically kept going. Let's see how many scenes there were. Scene 17, 18, and that was it. Scene 19. So, and over here I can just go ahead and select any different colors that I want for my text, but I liked this black, so I'll just proceed here on next. Here I could select any track that I wanted. Okay, the track that I have selected is this one, Kinetic, and it is the one that I will just keep. So I'm happy with that. If I click next over here, then basically my video is done. Then I will just click here on rendering for the video to start rendering. But since I already did the video, I don't need to do that. I'm just basically showing you the process on how it works. Since the video is already complete, let's just take a look at how it finished up. So that's really pretty much it. I think you get the idea on how this works. You can see very nicely all of the animations and effects built in. All I had to do was enter my words. So I'm happy with this video. I can go ahead and download it, which I already did before. Now, something that is important perhaps noting here is that some of the templates, depending on which ones you're choosing, sometimes, and this doesn't just go actually for this particular software, it can be the same for many of these. But if you feel that any of the animations and movement of the lettering or the images on whatever you're doing is a little bit too fast for the human eye, what I recommend you do is head over to our Ladilsa Hot Club. As in there, I have a full-blown course. The name of the course is Start with a Video, Finish with a Masterpiece. It's a free course inside our Ladilsa Hot Club, which is also a free club to join. Okay. In this course, I basically show you how to use any of the videos that you create using any of these software tools that we have available. Okay, and merge them so that you can end up with a longer and a masterpiece kind of a video. And not only that, but it will also show you how to slow down some of the videos that tend to go a little bit faster than you wanted it to run. Okay, maybe some of the animations and the videos that you create. For example, in this particular video that I created, some of the text animation, they went too fast. So in this course, I actually show you how I slowed down this particular video. So if you're interested, head over to our Ladilsa Hot Club, sign up, just join the club. It's free to join, and inside the club you have this course in there that will show you how to do that. So that's pretty much it. With that said, I hope you will enjoy using this software.